You're bidding on a CM Cyclone. It's a Model S. Looks like it's an aluminum 2-ton industrial chain hoist. This came out of a closed auto plant. It's got a 16-foot?
Yep.
16-foot chain, lift chain with a latch hook on the bottom and a 16-foot pull chain. It's in nice condition. It hasn't been degreased or anything. It's just as you see it. You want to, I don't know if we can get it up high enough, but pretty fast hoist. That's what it is. We'll take some individual shots on it. It's a nice shape. Good luck bidding.